Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So for today's recipe in my kitchen, I'll be making fisherman soup. There's this one customer that always requesting for something that is not usual. I've asked him before if he's pregnant. He'll just go on YouTube, Google any Nigerian soup and be asking me, Mama, can you prepare this? Yes, I know fisherman soup and I love fisherman soup very well. So today I'm making fisherman soup for a special customer. Unfortunately, we don't have crab, okay? So I'm gonna use Titus fish, periwinkles, prawn, and dry fish, stockfish, all seafood. Yeah, that's the things that I'll be using because I couldn't go to the big market to buy crab. So I'll just manage the little one that I can get within my vicinity. So I'll be using fresh scissors as well. So for now, I've already washed all the periwinkle Titus fish. I'm gonna fry the Titus fish a bit to make it have flavor. So let's go on cooking. Can I have that red oil, please? See, hello? Hello, give me red oil. Oil. No, oil. No. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So I'll be adding this onion just to, I'm not going to bleach the oil, okay? Yeah, adding just little salt. Then I'll be adding the Titus fish. Why I'm frying the fish is that I don't want it to, I want it to stay intact. I don't want it to scatter in the food, so because the fish here is very soft. So that's why I want to fry it and also make it, you know when you fry it now, you know, that raw taste will go out. So that's why I'm frying it just to make it stick together a bit. I'll be adding pepper. to blend another one. I have to blend another pepper because this soup needs to be very, very spicy. So here we go. Let's cover it for a while to allow it steam together. We'll be right back. Welcome back. We've added water, added dry fish, added stockfish, and spices as well. I added chicken stock, pepper, and oziza seeds. So you can see the soup is steaming. So after now, I'm gonna add cocoyam, crayfish. This soup doesn't take time to cook, so I'll be adding cocoyam, crayfish, and lastly prawn and periwinkle with ziza leaf and okra. And this fisherman soup is ready to serve. Doesn't take time because it's seafood. You know, seafood does not take time to cook. Yes. I've added cocoyam and okra. So we are adding prawn and periwinkle. There's no crab. It's yummy. I'm adding fresh oziza leaf. Can use any seafood of your choice. As many seafood as you can get, varieties of seafood, better. So I just use something that is available at the moment. I will allow it to steam like 2-3 minutes and the soup is done. Our fisherman soup is done. Follow us, like us, and share our content. Thank you for watching.